Hi, I'm Ken with the Wedlake team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 36 Chester Street in the Village of Morrison of River Oaks. This all-brick detached 3-story home is over 2,800 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a full rough-in for a 4th bath. Open basement too, partially finished. Come on inside, have a look. Thanks for taking the time to come and have a look through. With a new roof and double garage through the laneway, this property won't last. Want to make your move smooth? Give me a call.